Welcome to the party bus.
Hey!
Yo, we out here in the troopy. There's a broken down car back there.
Uh-oh.
It's getting crazy. We got Carson over here.
What's happening?
We're doing some exploring.
Yeah.
This is the world's best Toyota meetup ever.
This is the most Toyota ever.
We haven't blown any engines up yet. We had burgers. That's about all I got. I'm just saying.
That thing will do like 3 blinks on the right.
I know, right?
Going on the left.
Yeah, that ain't it, Chief. A lot of guys will tell you it's kind of difficult to flip a 100 series landcruiser. I bet you probably think you know where this is going, but it's not actually. But I just wanted to display here that it is actually pretty difficult to flip a 100 series landcruiser. And it's hard to see something in the dark. Maybe that makes it a little bit more obvious. I don't know. Shit. Thought I'd take this moment to give a shout out to my boy Patrick Perry, who's been making these really great bump stops. They're really tough. I haven't been able to kill them. "13 PSI, yeah.
Okay.
You'll be all right."
Alright. I'll take your word on it.
Oh yeah. No, I've run 11 for 60 miles
Really?
before. You'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
What speed?
60, 75 miles an hour, you know?
That's pretty wild, dude. Oh no, the Donut Media where?
Right.
No way, they got jammed.
Donut Media.
The real donut?
It's the real donut.
One of the many people that I drive around with are drunk every weekend. She had her head up here and was talking to me, yelling at me, and I hit this speed bump because I was looking back, looking at her. Dunk! About cracked her head open. She was like, ah! In an immense, Olivia, yeah, an immense amount of pain. Yeah.
Rest in peace.
She was pretty salty after that.
I love that. Alibi logo.
Oh my gosh, what did you do? You have to tell me everything.
Just don't look too carefully.
Do you have pictures and videos?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I don't have video.
But pictures.
I mean, a little bit. Anyway, there's gonna be some wind noise.
Wait, we don't know where we're going. Where are we going?
I don't know, huh?
Okay.
Which one is to the left and which one is to the right?
They're both in the same area, and I can't answer that because I have to do this. Or I
Oh,
won't
you don't know? Well, I'm gonna go to the left.
Okay. I mean, we can get there. Yeah, actually.
Which one is...
Maybe I do know.
Which one is closer?
Wait, I do know.
In proximity.
Okay. They're literally in the same area. They're like right next to each other. They're like across the street from each other. Okay, turn.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's that direction.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Did you like shatter the glass out of your car? Like, what did you do?
Yes. There's the glass was in the door, like rolled down, and it shattered inside of the door.
So did you ram this, like that side of the car into something and then it shattered? Like what? How does that?
Yes.
Yes? Oh my gosh.
We're getting closer. We're warmer.
How does that even happen?
All will become clear in a matter of seconds. As soon as we get up to speed, you'll notice.
What? No stopping now.
I sure hope we don't get pulled over.
Woo! That would be fun. It's okay. I would just cry and pull the I'm a girl card. I told him
fair.
to. It's my fault. That's how I've gotten out of 2 tickets.
Oh.
But I also, like, I can't force myself to cry. I just cried because I was scared. So, it worked.
That's fine. It works. If it works.
If it works, which it did. Oh.
Stuff going on.
Yeah.
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 Mm-hmm.
Is this... This is fine.
Right.
Then what...
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna make me guess? Or are you, like, never gonna explain? You're just gonna make me...
Well, you'll just have to figure it out.
Why?
It's funnier that way.
Okay, this is so bad, but I am literally imagining the car, and then it hits that, and the glass shatters inside of it, and you're sitting there like, is that what happened?
Pretty close, yeah. Like, really close, like 60% of the way there.
What?
Remember, I told you, mortal peril.
Like actual mortal peril.
A little bit. I mean, if it could have been if I, like, fell in a different place. I'm
What?
going the right way, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You actually need to stay in that lane. No, not this one. All I can think of is there's like a huge rock on this side and you're trying to go up and then you just turn and then is it like a cliff on the other side? Is that why it was like peril? So you're going up a big rock on this side, you flip, something hits that, shatters the glass inside of it.
Yes. Would
And
it help
then
if
you're
I
just-
told you I can't actually open that door? The one...
This door?
I cannot open it.
What am I missing? I can't think of anything else. Like I don't.
Like, when the vehicle is not on all 4 wheels.
Right.
When
it scrapes.
When it is, in fact, on 0 wheels.
So you were fully just sitting there like.
What would you call that?
I don't, like, lopsided? I don't know. Like, what do you mean? What would I call that?
I don't know. What do you do when something's like, you know, like,
Flipped.
yeah,
You flipped.
I flipped.
But you weren't, like, on the, you weren't, like,
Well, I mean, here. Oh, wait, I can't open this. Yeah, I had to take the sunroof controls off. I was gonna open it for you so you could see the hole in the roof.
the hole in the roof?
Look, we're going the right way.
Yes. Ugh. This is so frustrating. How much percent of the story do I have now? How is there more?
You've got like 80, 85.
How is there more? I don't understand. Like, I feel like I got the whole thing.
Well, just like context. Now you're just missing context.
What?
That's loud.
It is loud.
Yeah.
It's grand.
They say to park under a street lamp.
They do say that.
I believe it, even though it's like, you know, science, and science is like, you know, fake.
Right, it's not real.
Right.
Right.
But the short end of it all, maybe you should just get out and look.
Okay. I will take you up on that. Oh my gosh.
I told you. I can't open this door from the... Look, see? Try it.
What did you do? You can't open this door either?
There.
Oh,
Like, well, but barely.
right.
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Are you just gonna leave it?
No, I'm gonna fix it.
How do you fix this?
Like money.
Can you get gas?
Yes. Oh, check this out. Look, it still works. That was the first thing I checked because I was like, damn, I'm almost out of gas.
Get gas?
I'll
I'll
tell you the rest of the story in a minute. Yeah. But basically, what had happened was,
How are you gonna fix it? That's what gets me. Like, can
like
you handle
money.
Okay, can you,
Oh,
like
yeah,
honey?
like money.
Like money.
Right. So I'm gonna buy some doors, and then my very good friend Alex is
But this
he
you can't.
he
Like, how do you?
no, I know. See this? I
Uh-huh.
sent him pictures of this, and Alex was like, "Oh, I fixed
It's like
worse."
smoke. Really?
It does smell like smoke. It might be my car. That's not true. It wouldn't smell like that. I know what it smells like when it burns oil.
This is insane. Like, you can fix this too.
Well, like,